As a massive fan of Diablo since Diablo 1 way back in the 90s, I was the fortunate winner of the Diablo Mystery Box from the GeForce Greats contest. I thought I would go through the mystery box since it's a mystery and show you what's inside. Here we go. The first item is a signed and framed GeForce 256 graphics card from 1999, the world's first GPU. The second item is a massive Diablo 4 Collector's Edition. The next item is a custom Diablo 4 backplate. Pretty freaking sweet. This next thing is worth the entire box. It is an OG Diablo 2 for PC back in the day game. It even has the old Blizzard North logo with the old Battle.net. This takes me back to high school. The next item looks to be a Diablo chess set, which is extremely massive, and it looks like it's 32 custom crafted chess pieces. Last but certainly not least, a custom GeForce RTX 4080 Super Diablo Edition. Thank you so much, NVIDIA. This is the best mystery box ever.